Hello, and welcome to the English Flow podcast. I am your host, Lucas. I am so happy to be here with you today. Today, we have a very special episode. We are going to talk about a very important topic. We are going to talk about improving listening skills. This is the most important skill for learning a new language. If you can hear well, you can speak well. Before we start, I have a small favor to ask. Please subscribe to our channel right now. Click the subscribe button. If you subscribe, you will not miss our future episodes. We want to help you learn English every day. So please, join our community and let us learn together. Now, let us begin our journey to better listening. Many students tell me that listening is very difficult. They say that native speakers speak too fast. They say that the words run together. This is a very common problem. Do not worry. It is normal to feel this way. When you start learning English, your brain is not used to the sounds. English has many sounds that are different from your language. You need to train your ears. Think of your ears like muscles. If you go to the gym, your muscles get strong. If you listen to English every day, your ears get strong. You must be patient with yourself. Do not be angry if you do not understand everything. It takes time. You are doing a great job just by listening to this podcast. Keep going and do not give up. One of the best ways to improve is to listen to the same thing many times. This is called repetition. Repetition is very powerful. When you listen to a new audio, you might understand only 10%. That is okay. Listen to it again. The second time, you might understand 20%. Listen a third time. Now you hear words you missed before. Your brain needs time to process new information. Do not listen to one thing one time and then stop. That is not enough. Find a short audio clip that you like. Listen to it 5 times or 10 times. Each time, you will learn something new. You will hear the rhythm. You will hear the pronunciation. Repetition makes the English sounds stick in your memory forever. Let us talk about the speed of audio. As a beginner, you should not listen to fast news or difficult movies. That is too hard. It will make you feel sad. You should listen to slow English. This podcast is an example of slow English. I am speaking clearly. I am speaking slowly. This helps you hear every word. There are many resources on the internet for slow English. You can find news in slow English. You can find stories in slow English. Start with these easy materials. When you understand everything in slow English, then you can try something faster. It is like climbing a mountain. You start at the bottom. You take small steps. Eventually, you will reach the top. But for now, enjoy the slow pace. Another great tool is subtitles. Many students ask me about subtitles. Should they use them? The answer is yes, but you must be careful. If you always read subtitles, you are practicing reading, not listening. Here is a good method. First, listen to the audio without subtitles. Just listen. Try to guess the meaning. It is okay if you do not understand. Then, Listen a second time with the subtitles on. Read and listen at the same time. This connects the sound to the word. Finally, listen a third time without subtitles again. Now, your brain remembers the words. You will hear them clearly. This three-step method is very effective. It forces your ears to work hard, but it also gives you help when you need it. You can also use music to learn English. Everyone loves music. It is fun and it makes you feel good. Songs are great for listening practice. The melody helps you remember the words, but you must choose the right songs. Do not choose fast rap music. That is too difficult. Choose slow pop songs or ballads. Listen to the song and look at the lyrics. The lyrics are the words of the song. Sing along with the singer. When you sing, you are practicing pronunciation and listening at the same time. Listen to your favorite English song every day. Soon, you will know all the words. You will understand the meaning. This is a very enjoyable way to study. You learn without feeling like you are studying. Let us discuss active listening. Active listening means you are focused. You are not doing anything else. You are sitting down. You have a pen and paper. You are listening to learn. When you listen actively, write down new words. If you hear a word you don't know, write it down. Later, look it up in a dictionary. Also, try to summarize what you heard. After listening, say out loud what the topic was. Say 3 things you learned. Active listening is hard work. It takes a lot of energy. You can do this for 15 minutes a day. It is very intense, but it helps you improve very quickly. It turns passive hearing into active learning. Now let us discuss passive listening. Passive listening is different. This is when you listen while you do other things. You can listen while you cook dinner. You can listen while you wash the dishes. You can listen while you walk to work or take the bus. You are not focused 100%, but you are still hearing English. This is good for getting used to the rhythm of the language. It helps your brain become comfortable with English sounds. You should do a lot of passive listening. Try to have English in your ears for 1 hour every day. Combine active listening and passive listening. This combination is the secret to success. Shadowing is another technique I want to teach you. Shadowing is like copying. You listen to a sentence and then you say it immediately. You try to speak at the same time as the speaker. You try to copy their speed. You try to copy their emotion. You try to copy their pauses. This is very good for your ears and your mouth. It connects listening and speaking. Start with short sentences. Listen to me say, "I want to improve my listening skills." Now you say it. Try to sound exactly like me. Do this with many sentences. It feels funny at first, but it works. It trains your brain to hear the small details in the sounds. Vocabulary is important for listening. Sometimes you cannot understand because you do not know the words. If you know more words, you will hear more. Study new vocabulary every day. But do not just read the word. You must hear the word. Use an online dictionary that has audio. Click the button to hear the pronunciation. Repeat the word. If you know how a word sounds, You will recognize it when a native speaker says it. Many words look one way, but sound different. For example, the word knife has a silent K. If you only read it, you might say the K. If you listen, you know the K is silent. You should also listen to different voices. Do not listen to only one person. Listen to men. Listen to women. Listen to young people. Listen to old people. Everyone has a different voice. Everyone has a different way of speaking. Also, there are different accents. There is American English, there is British English, there is Australian English. They all sound a little different. As a beginner, pick one accent to start. Maybe you like American English. Stick with that for a while. But later, try to listen to other accents too. This will prepare you for the real world. In the real world, you will meet people from many different places. Do not translate in your head. This is a bad habit. When you hear English, do not try to turn it into your language. This takes too much time. If you translate, you will miss the next sentence. You must try to understand English in English. Think in pictures. If you hear the word apple, do not think of the word in your language. Imagine a red fruit. See the picture in your mind. This is much faster. It helps you keep up with the speed of the speaker. It is hard at first, but with practice, it becomes natural. Let the English flow directly into your brain. Relaxation is key. If you are stressed, your brain closes. If you are nervous, you cannot hear well. Before you start listening practice, take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Smile. Tell yourself, I can do this. If you miss a word, do not panic. Let it go. Focus on the next word. Focus on the general idea. You do not need to understand every single word to understand the story. If you understand the main idea, that is a success. Be kind to yourself. Learning a language is a journey. It's supposed to be fun. If you are relaxed, you will learn faster and better. Children's stories are excellent resources. Stories for children use simple grammar. They use common vocabulary. They are spoken clearly. They often have a clear beginning, middle, and end. This helps you follow the story. You can find many audiobooks for children online. Many of them are free. Do not feel silly listening to children's books. They are perfect for A1 learners. They build a strong foundation. Once you understand children's stories easily, you can move to stories for teenagers. Step by step, you increase the difficulty. Finally, you must make it a habit. Consistency is more important than intensity. It is better to listen for 15 minutes every day than for 5 hours once a week. Your brain needs daily practice. Make a schedule. Maybe you listen in the morning while you drink coffee. Maybe you listen at night before you sleep. Find a time that works for you. Stick to that time. Make English a part of your life. If you do this every day for 1 month, you will see a big difference. Your ears will open up. You will understand so much more. Thank you for listening to this long episode about improving listening skills. I hope these tips help you. Remember, listening is a skill you can learn. You just need practice and patience. Use repetition. Use subtitles wisely. Listen to music. Do active and passive listening. Try shadowing. Relax and have fun. You are doing a wonderful job. Please, before you go, subscribe to the English Flow podcast channel. Follow us on all our social media platforms. We have many more lessons coming for you. We want to help you reach your goals. Keep listening, keep practicing, and keep flowing with English.